What's going on, people? Welcome once again to another episode of In Farmer by the Window. Yeah.
I'm liking your blue shirt, though. We kind of match a little bit. We're on the blue tip, you know?
It's not a bad color, you know?
Yeah. So,
blue shirt is nice.
Yeah.
I just wish we can get out walking because I miss my walk. As the walk continues to break my 40,000 step mark, I am very close to the 40. I'm actually shooting for 45,000 at the moment. That's my second walk for the day, my afternoon walk. There's kick-ass training going on here because I'm tired of being pregnant. I've had enough. I'm going to kick this weight's ass real good and proper. And the journey is on. So, all you men that are sitting around on your sofas, get your keister up and start walking, start exercising, start living good, eating right, and just make it happen, man. Just do it. It's like you say, just do it, my brother. Just do it.
we're going to get out walking. Like most of you, I'm sure, we've put on a little bit of the winter pudge, and with all this stay-at-home business, not really, the gym routine has been non-existent when it started out so well. So, yeah, I could stand to lose a little 10 pounds.
I can stand to lose a little 10,
15
times 3. I just need to get going. I just need to have a motivation to get going, to get outside. Matter of fact, my buddy at work, Mike.
Oh, here we come again.
And I'm going to bring him up because we're on this Fitbit tip.
Yes.
Where we're all interjoined. And he said to me the other day, you haven't been walking much, have you? And I said, well, how the hell do you know? He said, because I've been beating you every week. I need some motivation. You need to get walking so that you can build up your numbers so I can have, we can have this ongoing competition.
Yeah, we motivate each other. You know?
So I kind of miss that because, we get the report come out every Tuesday.
We should have our own little, Nino and Lo motivating group where we can have competitions. Hey, let's do that.
That'd be a great idea.
Yes, when we
all
start
the
walking.
Listeners out there, you just get yourself a Fitbit and we all just log on to the same network and we just run an ongoing competition from now till the end of fall.
And there's a certain app that you can use as well, that if you don't have a Fitbit, you can use the app on your smartphone. I'll put the link below, and then we can all belong to the same network on the app, and then we can compare how we walk and motivate each other.
That would be awesome.
That'd be
great. That'd be something for us to work on. As you know, we're true. As you get a little older, you start packing on the pounds, and your metabolism
even the
slows
younger
down.
ones too. It's not just the older ones.
Your metabolism slow down, and you start, not being so much conscious about what you're eating, and all that affects you. So, we want to ensure to get everyone on the healthy tip. And hey, let's do this Fitbit thing or the app thing, and let's work on it, guys. Tell us how you feel. Drop us a line. Nino and Lo, let us know, and we'll get this set up and get it going.
Yeah,
let's all get fit together. All right, so. All right, my fellow Strava walkers, check it out. We're about halfway through our journey, and we're roughly about 8,000 steps. We're looking, hopefully to get around 13,000. But, everybody go at their own pace.
You bring some water and you're hydrated.
And make sure you hydrate.
And make sure you turn your app on. We were halfway through, maybe about a good 5 clicks in before I forgot to turn on the app.
Luckily, I had something running on my phone, so I kept track of things. But
so keep going, guys.
Keep going and hydrate, and we'll see you at the finish line. Doing the walk like a dragon, pure walk. We are just the hill.
That's it. Let's go.
Nino
and Lo Walk Fit team. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's get walking. Let's get cracking. Let's get moving. Get up on that couch and get your booty moving.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we get to walking. We got up off the couch this morning, and we get our ass moving.
Hey guys, we'd love for you to join one of our walking groups. We have 2. We have one on the Strava app. You just download the app and join our group, Nino and Lo Walk Fit, or you can hop on to the Fitbit group. For those of you who have Fitbits and like that, you can join our Fitbit group at Nino and Lo Fitness. Choose one, join us, and let's get walking today.